Looking for a reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated? The best bike pump for road bike riders ensures effortless pumping, accurate pressure, and durable performance, making every ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable on any terrain. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Panaride Bike Pump for Road Bike. The Panaride Bike Pump for Road Bike is designed to offer cyclists a reliable and versatile solution for quick and efficient inflation. Its excellent compatibility with both presta and schrader valves makes it a convenient option for riders who use different bikes or need to inflate other items such as stroller tires, sports balls, and inflatables. This adaptability makes it a practical choice for families, as it works seamlessly with popular stroller brands like BOB, ZUZEE, GOBKO, Bugaboo, and more. The pump's high-pressure design allows it to deliver up to 120 psi, ensuring that road bike tires are inflated quickly and efficiently to the precise pressure needed for a smooth and safe ride. Built with ergonomics in mind, the sturdy foot pedestal provides stability, while the comfortable design makes pumping less strenuous. Its lightweight and portable construction ensures that cyclists can carry it along for outdoor adventures without adding unnecessary bulk. Whether heading out on long road rides, weekend tours, or simply commuting, this pump offers convenience and peace of mind. Durability is another strong point of the Panaride Bike Pump, as it is crafted from high-quality materials built to withstand frequent use and demanding conditions. The consistency of its performance makes it a dependable addition to any cyclist's gear. Overall, the Panaride Bike Pump combines reliability, ease of use, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for riders who want a straightforward, long-lasting solution to tire inflation. It stands out for its adaptability, ergonomic design, and portable build, positioning itself as a top choice for road bike riders and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Number 2. CYCPLUS Bike Pump for Road Bike. The CYCPLUS Bike Pump for Road Bike delivers impressive power and modern convenience for cyclists looking for speed and precision in tire inflation. With its 150 psi capacity, this portable air compressor is capable of inflating a road bike tire in just 2 minutes, saving valuable time compared to traditional hand pumps. It comes with both presta and schrader valve adapters, as well as a ball needle, extending its usefulness to not only bicycles, but also motorcycles, car tires, and sports balls. This makes it a versatile tool for athletes and commuters alike. The design includes a built-in hose that keeps things neat, preventing tangles and ensuring smooth operation every time. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into a bike's water bottle cage, backpack, or glove compartment, making it highly portable. Battery performance is another standout feature, with its high-capacity rechargeable battery supporting multiple inflations on a single charge, 2 car tires, 12 motorcycle tires, 14 bicycle tires, or 48 balls. It also comes with the added benefit of emergency LED lighting, which doubles as a flashlight, providing up to 35 hours of continuous light. This makes it especially useful for night rides or roadside emergencies. Its auto shut-off feature ensures accuracy by stopping inflation once the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and protecting your tires. Number 3. Fanttik Bike Pump for Road Bike. The Fanttik Bike Pump for Road Bike is a compact yet powerful option, delivering advanced technology and thoughtful design for serious cyclists. Equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery, it can inflate up to 8 tires on a single charge, making it a dependable choice for long rides or group cycling events. Its unique cooling system allows for continuous operation of up to 25 minutes without overheating, a valuable feature that sets it apart from many other portable pumps. With a maximum pressure capacity of 150 psi and a 10 liters per minute airflow rate, it achieves ultra-fast inflation. For example, it can refill a 700x23C tire from 80 to 100 psi in just 32 seconds and inflate from 0 to 100 psi in about 1 minute and 32 seconds, ensuring minimal downtime on the road. The all-in-one hose design integrates the hose, presta, and schrader valves and pump body into a single unit, simplifying storage and making switching between valve types effortless. The 360 degrees rotation hose further enhances ease of use by eliminating awkward angles during attachment, ensuring smooth and efficient inflation. The automatic shut-off function adds an extra layer of protection, stopping the pump when the desired pressure is reached, thereby safeguarding tires against overinflation. Despite its palm-sized proportions, the Fanttik X9 Ace packs impressive power and speed, making it ideal for road bikers who value efficiency and portability. The package includes the pump itself, a charging cable, and an instruction manual, giving cyclists everything needed for hassle-free use. Number 4. GOBKO Bike Pump for Road Bike. The GOBKO Bike Pump for Road Bike is a traditional floor pump that emphasizes durability, precision, and ease of use. It comes with a maximum pressure capacity of 160 psi, making it suitable for high-pressure tires on road bikes and mountain bikes alike. The standout feature is its precision mechanical pressure gauge, which is equipped with a copper movement for enhanced accuracy and reliability. Cyclists can trust the readings for consistent inflation results, ensuring both performance and safety. Crafted from high-strength steel, the pump offers remarkable durability, resisting wear while maintaining a smooth surface finish. The thickened rubber hose is resistant to frost and high temperatures, allowing the pump to perform in varying weather conditions. The ergonomic handle and anti-slip base ensure stability and comfort during use, even when inflating multiple tires in one session. Compatibility is another advantage, as it works with both schrader and presta valves, making it versatile for different bicycles. Additionally, the pump comes with a multifunctional adapter for needles and 2 nozzles, broadening its application to inflating motorcycles, sports balls, and swimming rings. This versatility makes it a valuable household tool, not just a bike accessory. GOBKO's focus on customer satisfaction is evident in its attention to detail and after-sales support, ensuring cyclists get the most from their purchase. Number 5. ZUZEE Bike Pump for Road Bike. The ZUZEE Bike Pump for Road Bike is an advanced mini-air pump designed for speed, accuracy, and portability. Engineered to deliver rapid inflation, it can reach 80 to 100 psi in just 30 seconds for 700x23C tires, reviving a flat road bike tire from 0 to 80 psi in 90 seconds. This makes it up to 3 times faster than traditional manual pumps, significantly cutting down prep time before or during a ride. With its brushless motor and high-capacity lithium battery, it achieves a maximum pressure of 150 psi with consistent output. One full charge supports 6 complete tire inflations or 12 top-offs, ensuring cyclists are always prepared. A built-in active cooling system enables continuous runtime of up to 30 minutes, making it suitable for emergencies and extended group rides. Accuracy is one of its strongest assets, thanks to the integrated high-precision pressure sensor with plus or minus 0.1 psi accuracy. The digital LED gauge displays both preset and real-time tire pressures, while the auto shut-off function stops inflation at the desired level, preventing overinflation and enhancing safety. Compact and lightweight at just 6.5 ounces, it measures smaller than many CO2 inflators, fitting easily into a jersey pocket, saddlebag, or hydration pack. Despite its small size, it delivers powerhouse performance, making it ideal for road bikers, commuters, and bikepacking enthusiasts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.